Hello, my scrappy friends. So, here I am with a traveler's notebook layout. And, sorry I didn't clean up from my last gig here. Anyway, let's see here. Traveler's notebook. This is just a Paper Studios one. I think I got them 50% off because it's Paper Studios, and you know they do Paper Studios on sale all the time. So anyway, I am incorporating some extras, but this is mostly my Citrus Twist September kit, and I just kind of pulled out everything. A little wiki wonky here. This is my aunt, my cousin, her daughter, and that's her son's daughter. So I'm going to layer it with this here journaling card, or pocket life card, I guess is what it would be called. And I just thought that this paper went perfect with the little girl's dress. This is Emmy. Gosh, I can't remember her name. I'm so sorry if you're watching this, Jeremy, which I highly doubt it. You never know. So, I was going to do the whole not equal, if that makes any sense. And because I really just enjoy that particular layout. I think it did, yeah, I did it on the last one. Yeah, I moved it around on this one, but this one I completely covered it up. So I do plan on keeping them square though. So I think I will. Oh no, I probably should put this over here. Oh, I probably, oh well, what is done is done. So I totally skipped a page. It's okay, it's okay. I got plenty of scrap supplies and pictures to take care of that little issue. And yeah, so I think I'm going to put this close to the side. My idea was to have them hanging off. And I thought I would do this card over here, and then some embellishments. Oh my gosh, can you hear the thunder? I always think of that Garth Brooks song. And the thunder rolls, and the lightning strikes. Mama, if you're watching this, it's all because of you. And I'm gonna just pop that down. Bring these beautiful women down here. I love my family so much. And I was gonna use, nah, I don't think these are gonna work. I did want to use this though. Well, I got flowers over there, so you guys don't think you're gonna make the cut. I thought this UBU was cute. For them, you know, little girls and all. Not that they'll ever see this. Okay. I did really want to incorporate these here in bows. Because you know, girls, they're toots adorbs. Ah! back here. Why am I struggling? It's okay. Little one up there. I'll put this little one down. Ah, the lights are flickering again. If you just saw my other video, you'll know now that I'm recording them back to back. Because it was totally flickering. And you'll also know that I did not stop. I am continuing on with my recording. Gotta be the rebel sometimes, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so then bunch of heartbreakers. Yeah. Put a whole bunch of words. Because I love the word stickers. Put a wild heart over there. Do. Just sticking and plunking at this point, my friends. Sticking and a plunking, sticking and a plunking. I'll be mad if that comes into a song. And I wanted to include this because of the blue. She's got blue jeans on, and I think that just kind of puts it together. I totally forgot to put my stinking title down. Title? Yeah, title. I love Travelers notebooks. It's like the perfect size to me. Tote's perfect. Oh, that fits pretty good. It was meant to be, if I do say so myself. Now, I was going to incorporate these gold. I just think they're too gaudy in all honesty. But we will use the hearts. Because, yes please, everybody loves a gold heart. Put this little one down here. Oh, I gotta put my eye. It's sideways, but you know what? Hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I don't think I like you up there. There we go. That's better. Okay, and then I was going to put down... get in there. Incorporate these, but I think that's going to be too much. So, I shall hold off. Oh, you know what? I need to unplug my typewriter too. Is that pink? Too pink? I think so. I think this is a bitter pink. It's not perfect, but it'll make do. Bring in some turquoise. Dark turquoise for the dot. Nice. Any more turquoise? Should we add yellow? No, I think I'm done. Alright, what do you guys think? Very good way of incorporating that gold, I feel like. Because I wasn't real sure I was going to be able to, but it kind of just goes. Which Trina knows that. She's the best at what she does. She knows what's going to work. So, alright guys, I hope you're having a great day. And don't ever forget, get a little crafty time in. Bye!